to acknowledge, of course, the effort put by Dang Guevara, our chairperson. Isang palakpak naman dyan kay Dang. Okay. And the greatest achievement, of course, is to us, our honorable mayor, to be with us. So that's already a recognition, no less, in trying to commend our batch 83 as one of the best, if not the best batches in Olongapo City National High School.
And also, syempre, yung mga committee natin.
Yes, committee members natin and committee chairpersons. Efforts.
Ang kanyang bayaban, short biography niya, abutin tayo ng alas 12. But, three-termer nito na Congressman ng Zambales, 1st District. And sa second term niya bilang mayor ng Olongapo, product siya ng Ateneo, Arneo. At siya ay tunay na taga-Olongapo at talagang taal naman na Gordon to. Sa paglilingkod, hindi natin matawaran. At narito ngayon, pakinggan natin si Mayor James Pong Gordon Jr.
Pinakamatandang presidente ng Jackson High School, otherwise known as Olongapo City National High School. Alam nyo, nagbibiro lang ako kay Jun kasi mahilig siya sa mga oldies ngayon. Patingin ko lang ang mga... Well, bago siguro ako magpate, today is one of my busiest day. No? Alam niyo bakit? Kasi I woke up at 5 o'clock para i-start yung Subic Marathon 2008. No? It's an international marathon. We started out early. Pagkatapos, this is my first time to hear 4 Holy Masses. So, 4, no? Mainly because tatlo yung Santo Niño, no? Santo Niño sa Barangay Pareto, Santo Niño sa Santa Rita, Purucuno, Santo Niño sa Calaclan, sa Holy Family Church, at isang wedding na may misa din. No? Tapos babalik pa ako doon sa Santo Niño ng Santa Rita para maglakad pa doon sa procession nila. No? So talagang first time, no, na tinanong ko ang bishop, pwede ba ako mag-communion ng 4 na beses? So sinagot niya, it depends. No? So yun yung experience ko. At siguro hindi pa naman ako mukhang pagod, pero when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Ganun pa rin tayo. Kaya nga ang slogan ng Olongapo, alam naman nyo, fighting for excellence. Batiin ko lang ang Honorary President, si Pedro Maninang Jr. Nasaan ba siya? Para makilala ko rin. Chair. Hina Miranda, ang Vice Chair. Ayun, nasa likod. Claudine Alcazar, Secretary. Eduardo Bartolome, Treasurer. Marami ba kayong pera? Kasi usually pag may alumni homecoming, nag-check ng pera, di ba? At of course, pag inimbita nyo ang mayor, baka makatulong kayo sa syudad. Hindi lang eskwela ang tinutulungan. Because after all, the high school is under the city government. Of course, si President Derain, Lucia Degale, correct me if I'm wrong, auditors, yun, okay. Mrs. Perla Cui, wala siya. Ano ito, advisors, Miss Connie Jimenez. At ako'y natutuwa na ang isa pala yung kasama dito ay si Totoy Figueres, no? Na dating nagtatrabaho sa akin, no? Kasama siya, Totoy. Ngayon ay nasa iba Zambales na, no? Pagtatrabaho ka naman kay Vice Governor Ann Gordon. So wala ka pa nilusot. So ako'y natutuwa na kayo ay nasa early 40s na may kasabihan, life begins at 40, di ba? Okay? So, on behalf of the city government, allow me to congratulate the organizers. No? Congratulations, dahil mahirap talaga mag-organize ng matagal na. How many years have you been, since you graduated? 25. So, silver na, no? Okay, so, mahirap pag ganun na kalayo. And, usually maganda kung taon-taon nag-reunion kayo kung kaya. Baka siguro yung next reunion nyo will be golden na. Yung memories na talk about, hindi naman natin pinapag-usapan dito ang kung sino ang successful at kung sino hindi successful. What is important is nakakapag-reunion pa, one class, one community pa rin. There's still marami pa rin kayo, wala sigurong namamatay pa. Meron na rin. Mukhang madami lahat bumulong talagang gano'n, kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Siguro, how many are in the United States? Pakitaas lang ang kamay. Sa United States. Okay? Mga ilan, Sa ibang bansa, like Australia. Saan kayo? Japan. Okay? Sa ibang bansa, Europe, meron? Kuwait. Middle East. Palagay ko madami. Middle East. Okay. So, well, maganda yun. Yung iba nakakapunta sa ibang bansa. Of course, it's sad to say you are part of the brain drain na 9 million Filipinos are abroad, 3 million na nasa Amerika, 1 million are illegal in the United States. Yun ang statistics plus, of course, the rest are spread all over the world. A large bulk now, we're still counting, are in the Middle East. Mostly sa Lebanon and Saudi Arabia. So, ganun pa rin na diaspora. Ang ibig sabihin ng diaspora, the Filipinos are all in parts of the world na hopefully later on, pag yumaman ang bansa natin, it will be the connection, a network para sa negosyo and other things. Dapat magamit na ganun yung diaspora. That is how Christianity spread. Because of the diaspora, because the Jews were spread all over the area. Kaya nagko-connect. So dapat magko-connect. And it is good na dapat kung pwedeng dalasan ang reunion. Now, siguro sa Olongapo, most of you gusto niyo malaman kung ano nangyayari. Right now, dito sa Olongapo, I can say, unlike before, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. Alam naman nyo yung the good, the bad, and the ugly, di ba? Let's start first with the good on what's happening here. Yun ang light na nakikita ko o nakikita ng mga tao ngayon. The good, well, we have Hanjin Shipbuilding Company. Korean yan. Okay? They already inaugurated the first phase. Already there are about 4,000 employees. And they're still going to build. There will be a second phase, up to a third phase, siguro in the next few years. Eventually, they will be hiring 40,000 laborers. Okay, mostly in the welding force. They will be here for 50 years. And the contract is renewable. They will be building, I think, about 20 big ships every year or more. Now already, habang ginagawa pa yung shipyard, they're already simultaneously building a ship. 5. There are already orders. At kulang pa. So that's good. It will give us jobs. Not only from Olongapo and Zambales area, But I guess